Hi everyone, another video by MTech Pro. The new LG G series flagship typically arrives ahead of MWC, which in 2018 would put its probable launch date as Sunday the 25th of February. However, the investor claims that the LG G7 may arrive much earlier than expected, with LG announcing the new flagship in January 2018. That would place the announcement at CES 2018 in Las Vegas. LG could take this strategy to get the flagship phone on the market quicker than rivals, largely Samsung and its Galaxy S9. It is also understandable that it might want to update the LG G6 earlier than expected due to its inclusion of the older Snapdragon 821 processor. The biggest rumor in terms of the LG G7 specs is that it could be the first phone with Qualcomm's next flagship processor, or mobile platform. The investor reports that the two companies started working on development early this year. The chip in question is the Snapdragon 845, and will reportedly use a 7nm manufacturing process, even more impressive than the 10nm Snapdragon 835, which was made in partnership with Samsung. It is rumored to be up to 30% more powerful than the Snapdragon 835. We're expecting another dual camera setup and decent core specs. The main question is what LG will do with the display after introducing an 18:9 aspect ratio with the G6. There are rumors that the firm will switch to OLED for the G7. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share it if you liked.